Hey. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, this is a whole new brand video right now. I filmed this video twice, I think. And actually for some reason I couldn't record my screen as I'm doing it right now. Like I had to drop the video again, just find a way to record it, because in Apple way you can record the screen on Monkey app. So I had to find an app so I can record my screen without just getting any interruptions and stuff like that. But now I have the chance like to record my screen, and hopefully this is not gonna get caught up again. Otherwise I gotta drop the video and make another one. Hopefully it's just gonna be it. But now let's not waste time. And I didn't really eat right now. Let me drink some water. I didn't really eat right now. I'm waiting for my food. I ordered from KFC for the first time. Yeah, I wanted like to eat something, heavy, because I got a lot of stuff to do today. Currently right now it's 4:15, and I got stuff to do, so I'm just gonna film this video right now. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work. I mean, it is working, but I'm gonna see today it's gonna work today also, because there's weird people in this app, I'm telling you guys. Let me see if I can just put it right here. So I'm gonna go this side, and tell me guys if I should do those type of videos again. So let's see right now if someone's gonna take me. Oh, okay. Hi.
Hi, tell me about your life.
Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video.
Not really, but good luck with it.
Alright, it's alright. Thank you, bye. Jeez. Someone already in there. Wow, golly. That's how already we start. No video. Hi.
What's up?
Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video. Yes, sir. So I'm trying to see how many people I can reach to be able to give my YouTube channel, and maybe if you like my content, you can just subscribe. Great. This is wonderful. This is what I was expecting, huh? This is wonderful. Cutting me off while I was trying to talk. See how this app is really going crazy right now? Let me just try to see it again one more time. Golly. I feel like people are so petty nowadays, and it's not everyone who's gonna be cool to you. But wait, come on now. Why is not going on? It's like, come on, United States. Why everyone skipping me for? He's 25. I'm gonna try to talk to a boy. I mean, I don't know. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna not skip anybody now. He's 15. I don't care. He's a guy. Hey, bro.
What?
Yo, do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video.
Oh no. This faking YouTube, YouTuber that I came across yesterday.
What?
This is this faking YouTuber that I came across this.
He was weird. Was he studying or just weird or something? Am I the weird person, to be honest? This guy was in somewhere else. Golly, she's 15. I don't care. I'm just trying to get people to check out my YouTube channel. I'm not trying to talk to anybody. Come on now. How old do you think I am? I didn't tell you my age yet. Hi. Yo, I'm currently filming a video. Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? What is wrong today? It's why everyone is skipping me for? This is getting already boring. Golly. Come on, I'm skipping you. I'm skipping you. Come on. I need someone to answer. Okay, let's see. She's 18. Hi. Hi. Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video.
Oh, you can follow you?
Actually, follow me so I can talk to you quick. I can give you my YouTube channel.
Okay, let me do it. Alright.
Okay, let me do it. But actually, you're out of time. What the hell? Hi. I'm doing good. Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video.
Are you filming? Yeah, I'll follow you.
Yes, sir. So I'm trying to see how many people I can reach to let them know like my YouTube channel. And if you like my content, you should just subscribe.
Okay.
Alright, do you want to check it out?
Yeah.
Alright, it's Fearchance. Fearchance. Not space, just one word.
I'll check it out.
Alright, take care and have a good time.
You too.
Alright, bye. At least we got one person. Even though they might think they got my name because there's a bunch of people saying, oh, but spell it slowly, it's so slow. I feel like the connection is good, so let's see someone else. We're at like 6 minutes right now. We don't really have fun right now. I need people. Oh shit, those two girls. No. Hi.
Hi.
Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video.
Oh, you're on YouTube?
Yeah. So I'm trying to see how many people I can reach to let them know my YouTube channel. And if you like my content, you should just subscribe. As I'm just posting a video right now, making a video.
Hey, I have a YouTube channel too, so you know.
Oh, then show yourself. What's your YouTube channel?
It's just my name. We just like to stand university and that's it.
Okay, whatever. That's DM me or whatever. Just tell me if you want. But I'm gonna give you my YouTube channel though. If you like my content, you should subscribe.
Okay.
Alright, so it's Fearchance. Fear. Just one word. Fear, like fear, and chance. Chance.
All together?
Yeah, just one word.
Oh, I got it. We found you.
Alright, yes sir. Hopefully you end up liking my content, alright?
Alright.
Alright, take care, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yes sir. We're getting good here. We're getting good. Now I'm getting comfortable. Yes. I already know like we're in 8 minutes. You got my time. Oh, this shit's. Damn, now I'm feeling good. Come on. I'm feeling good now. Come on now. We need more people. I'm skipping you, boy. I'm sorry. I need girls. Okay, I should be seeing this, but okay, cool.
No. Too young. Skip.
Let's see. Oh, she's 19. Hi. Yeah, I got a Snapchat. Do you want to follow me quick? Yes, sir. So I'm currently filming a video right now. I'm trying to see how many people I can reach to, and if you like my content, you should subscribe. But if you don't want to be in the video, I can just cut you out.
No, we do.
Okay, cool. So you want me to give you my YouTube channel right now?
Yeah.
Alright, let me know when you're ready so I can spell it out. Okay, so Fearchance, one word. Fearchance. Like fear. Fearchance. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Damn, if you like my content, hopefully you subscribe, right? Yeah, that's sir.
I will. Play baby video.
Huh? Yeah, you're in my video for next video that I'm filming right now.
Can I shout myself live?
Hmm?
Can I shout myself live?
Yeah, sure. What's your what do you want to shout out?
My Instagram.
Alright, sure. Just shout your Instagram then.
My Instagram is Tia Adamy. And mine's MillyJenkins.x.
Yes, sir. You're trying to get some niggas right now.
When is the video coming out?
Maybe in 3 days. I don't know. I'm currently working and stuff like that. So I'm gonna find the time to edit, but should be here in 3 days. Next week.
We subscribe. I'm subscribed.
Alright, thank you. Hopefully you share it too, alright?
Bye.
Alright, thank you. Have a good time. Bye. That's a good one. Yeah. Alright, let's not waste time. It's already 11 minutes. I need more people. I don't want it to make so long this video, but I'm gonna try to make it 15 minutes. Should I make it 15 minutes or something like that? Or should I go do 20 minutes? Probably 15 because I don't want to edit on my computer. Like, if you're over 15 minutes, you can't just do it straightly to the app. So that's annoying. Hi.
Are you a mystical girl?
Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video. Yes, sir. So I'm trying to see how many people I can reach to and let them know my YouTube channel. And if you like my content, you should just subscribe.
Okay.
Alright, do you want me to spell it out?
Just text us it.
Alright. Take care.
You too. Bye.
There's girls just here to have fun, to be honest. Like, they're like here 16 years old, like pulling their shirt off. Like, that's crazy. I don't know what to do at this point, man. It's like mostly United girls, man. Hi.
Hi.
Do you want? I'm 19. Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So I'm trying to see how many people I can reach to and let them know my YouTube channel. And if you like my content, you should just subscribe. Alright, let me know when you're ready so I can spell it out. Okay, so Fearchance, Fearchance.
Huh?
Like one word, fear,
Yeah.
Fearchance. Just one word. Fearchance.
Fearchance.
Yeah, Fearchance. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, yes sir. Hopefully you like my content and you subscribe, alright?
Okay.
Yes sir, you got it. Alright, take care.
Bye.
Bye. That was cute. They were cute, you know. But let's not forget, it's just a video. I'm not trying to talk to you guys right now. Let's see. Oh. Damn. I think this is my order from, you know, because I ordered like KFC or something like that. So I'm just gonna catch you guys on. Shit. So actually that wasn't really my food right now. So it was just a milk guy. And yeah, I'm pretty hungry. I'm waiting for my food. Like, I'm so exhausted. But I got plenty of stuff to do today. So I gotta stay energetic. I mean hydrated. But let's not waste time and keep on going with the video. I think we got 2 minutes right now before this video ends. So let's see if we're gonna get people. Wait, before I go on it, let's see if someone really subscribed to my channel. Let's see if they. Oh, they really did. They really did. That's nice. They really did. Oh my god, let's go. She's 17. Oh my god, she skipped me. Alright. That's bad. She's 16, whatever. United States. Hi.
Hi.
Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video.
Yes.
What?
I want to be in this video.
Yes, sir. So I'm currently seeing how many people I can reach to, and if you like my content, you should subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Alright, so you want me to spell it out for you? Let me know when you're ready. It's one word. Fearchance. Fearchance. Fear. Like fear and then chance. One word. Yeah. Yeah, Chance. Damn, their Wi-Fi? Godly. So, alright, hopefully you like my content, alright?
Got you.
Alright, take care. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. They're kind. But yeah, let's try something else. She's 18 from Canada. It's hard to reach Canada girls because they were so petty. I'm telling you. Here, unless Toronto, Montreal is not really happening. She's 19 from the United States. Hi. Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. So I'm trying to see how many people I can reach to, and if you like my content, you should subscribe.
Okay.
Alright, let me know when you're ready so I can give you my YouTube channel.
Okay, wait. Can you type it in your thing here? Okay, we're ready.
Alright, so it's one word. Fearchance. F-E-A-R. F-E-A-R-C-H-A-N-C.
A-N-C. Chance.
Fearchance. One word.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, how many subscribers do you have?
200 something. I just kind of started, so I'm gonna reveal it soon though. Alright, hopefully you have a nice day, alright? Alright, take care, bye.
How many subscribers you got?
I'm not revealing my subscribers because I know you people. Oh, he doesn't have no many subscribers, so I'm not gonna subscribe to his YouTube channel. I know girls are like that. I'm telling you, girls are really like that. Hi. Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video. Okay. Deuces. Ah, she's 19. Okay, last one. Hi.
Hi.
Do you want to follow me quick so I can give you my YouTube channel? I'm currently filming a video. So I'm trying to see how many people I can reach to, and if you like my content, you should subscribe. You want me to give you my YouTube channel quick?
Yeah.
Alright, let me know when you're ready so I can spell it out.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, so one word. F-E-A-R-C-H-A-N-C. Fearchance.
F-E-A-R what?
F-E-A-R-C-H-A-N-C. Yes, sir. If you like my content, subscribe, right?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, take care. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. Hopefully now it's good. Focus. Okay. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Hopefully you really liked the video. I'm so thirsty. I'm sorry. Hopefully, guys, you made it through the end of the video and you liked the video. And also share the video and tell me many suggestions like type of videos that I should do, because I want to really make your day. So I want to do certain videos that you want me to do, something else that you see others do and you want me to do it and see how it's going to turn out. But anyway, I'm really thankful for all you guys, for all you new supporters who just subscribed to my YouTube channel. I didn't know you would subscribe. Maybe they were just kind of subscribing till they see this video out and then they're going to subscribe. If so, the rest, I'm really happy for you guys for sticking in this channel for me, with me, because I didn't know like y'all would really end up subscribing to this channel. And thank you for thinking that I'm a nice guy, because I am. And yeah, hopefully you like this video and I'll be back with another one. And also, please, I want to mention this. Can you follow me on Instagram? Because I barely use it, but I will really use the app if I'm seeing people following me on Instagram. And also add me on Snapchat, because I'm always on Snapchat like making jokes and stuff. But I'm not really on Snapchat. But add me on Snapchat so you can just see what I'm doing every day, beside, you know, YouTube or something like that. But follow me on Instagram as well. It's Fearchance, F-E-A-R-C-H-A-N-C. Same thing on Snapchat. So hopefully I made your day, and if you like this content, I'm gonna bring more. And hopefully you're having a nice day. And that was me making this video. Peace. I'm just sorry. Alright. Have a nice day. Bye.